Today we're going to be setting up a new board. It's almost board. I've been skating blind boards. I've never tried an almost board. They say they're really good. So I'm going to try it out. With some grizzly grip, and then we got Thunder Highs size 8 with Matt Bergera Pro Model 52 STF Bones wheels with some red Bones bearings. And we got Shorty hardware. And this bear right here, I'm going to be changing to red with this. I'm going to time lapse the setup because I know it's going to take forever. Because I'm going to be using these to set it up. Alright, I'm done gripping it. I think I did pretty good. I grip all my boards. I don't let no one else grip them. Alright, back to the time lapse. I know it felt like forever setting this board up, but it's done. Almost skateboard. Thunder Trucks, Bones wheels, STF, Matt Bergera. Then we got Bones red bearings. And then Shorty hardware. Then Grizzly grip. I keep buying T-tools. They keep disappearing. I don't know what's up. That's why it takes forever to get these. That's my setup. Subscribe, like, leave a comment, peace.